Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your browser. First, you'll need to find a reliable online version. Many websites offer browser-based versions, but it's important to choose a reputable one to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience. Make sure your web browser is up to date for the best performance, and a stable internet connection will prevent any frustrating lag during your gameplay. Once you've launched the game, mastering the controls is key. Typically, you'll use the spacebar or a mouse click to make your icon jump. The game's core challenge involves precise timing to avoid obstacles and complete levels. Experiment with different game modes, as each introduces unique mechanics and challenges that require a slightly different approach to succeed. A huge part of Geometry Dash's appeal is its vast library of user-created levels. You can spend countless hours exploring new challenges designed by other players. Most browser versions allow you to filter levels by difficulty, popularity, or even specific creators. Don't hesitate to engage with the game's vibrant online community. They often share valuable tips and recommend fantastic levels to try. To truly excel at Geometry Dash, start with easier levels to build a strong foundation of skills. Don't be afraid to use practice mode. It allows you to place checkpoints and master tricky sections without the pressure of starting over. Watching videos of experienced players can also provide valuable insights into advanced techniques and strategies, helping you conquer even the most challenging levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.